doon?
Amen!
I-encourage namin kayo na kayo, yun, kayo lahat. Yun, mag-activate na tayo, gumalaw na tayo, simulan natin gumalaw sa school natin, sa church, mag-connect na tayo sa mga ministries, gamitin natin yung skills natin, pati talent para sa glory ni Lord. Amen ba doon? Amen! Activate! Away from my complacency. Nothing is ready to go. So stop it. Everybody knows this is the purpose of my life. This is the reason I'm alive. So that's activate, activate, activate. There is a world out there with me. Now it is all work with it. One gets to be activate, activate. Showing that to everyone is what it's all about. I think I'm ready to go. Don't stop there. Everybody knows this is the purpose of my life. This is the reason I'm alive. So I've got to be activate, activate. There is a world out there.